What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and today I just kind of wanted to do a little, retraction video, if you will. I've come to the realization that I kind of jacked up what this little charger does that comes with the Tinyhawk. I had that pretty much completely wrong. For some reason, I didn't notice the lights moving across, which I'll show you here in a second, but we'll make this video. I'll try to get it into the original review video so I don't screw up too many people, so I apologize about that, but let me show you how this guy actually works, okay? So these arrows, when I plugged it in, I got no lights that came on originally, so I thought that these two were 435 and these two were 420. Not the case. There's a set of lights that roll across, okay? When they roll this way, it's set on 435, and when they roll that way, it's 420. And there's a little button right there that you can switch it. It even says it right on it. Press 3 seconds, get your 3.8, 435 total charge or 420 total charge. Hello, here we go. So all four of these will charge on whatever selection you make, and it actually charges pretty fast. I'm pretty surprised overall. You plug them all in and they all charge up. It's pretty simple. So let's plug it in, and now you can see we got the lights rolling here. Okay, so it's set on 435. Now you need something very, very tiny to push this button. The light will go solid, and then it'll start rolling the other way. Now it's rolling this way. So now all four of these are going to charge up to 4.20 volts. Let's do it again. Solid. Now it's rolling this way. Now everything's going to charge to 4.35 volts, which is going to be your high volt, which is what you want to charge your Emax batteries to. So it came to me in the 435 configuration, so you can charge 4 at a shot, and like I said, it charges pretty fast. There you go. That's it. Hopefully that helps clear up some things. I'll have this as a card up in the other video. That's about the best I can do other than taking it down and redoing it, and no, I ain't doing that. So there you go. Here's how it works. Thanks for watching. Sorry about making that mistake. Shit does happen, and we keep it on moving. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.